How to make your birthday private on Facebook. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your birthday private on the Facebook app using your iPhone or Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu button in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and tap Profile Details. Under the Basic Info section, find Birthday and tap the Edit button. You'll see separate privacy settings for your birthday and birth year. Tap the privacy option next to each one and select Only Me to keep your birthday hidden from everyone else. After making your changes, tap Save to update your profile. If you only want friends to see your birthday, you can choose Friends instead of Only Me. And that's it. That's how you can make your birthday private on the Facebook app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials.